Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another pick a card readings. So this reading is going to be about whether you are progressing towards your goals or not, whether you are on the right track or not, and we'll also see the conflicts which are not working in your favor and the changes that you need to do. So this is pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. So go ahead and choose your pile. Timestamps are given below in the description box. You can check that and skip the video to your specific readings. And if any of you are new to pick a card readings, I just want to give you a little bit of introduction about how pick a card readings work. You need to choose any one of these 3 piles. So let me repeat that again. So this is pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. You can pause the video and meditate on the cards as long as you want. You need to go with your intuition and choose the pile number that draws your attention the most. Once you choose your pile, you can check the timestamps given below in the description box and skip the video to the timestamp where your readings begin. Also, I want to tell you that these are general readings, so there will be multiple messages for all of you and your intuition will guide you which message is for you. So watch the readings till the end, and if there's anything that you don't like in these readings, then don't worry, because whatever is being said here can be changed by you. Nothing is 100% destined in this universe. Each one of us has the power to change it. So believe in yourself and most importantly, believe in that one supreme power always. And I also want to tell you that these are timeless readings, so doesn't matter whenever you are watching this, the readings will be true for you. Also, I'm going to give you some time to meditate on the cards so that you can choose your pile. If you want more time, then you can pause the video. So let's begin with the meditation. Hello group number 1. So we have Page of Cups, Knight of Swords as your tarot cards, and Gibbous Moon and New Moon in Pisces as your astrology oracle cards. So these cards will tell us what is your goal, what is your current path, what is it that you are working on to achieve in your life. So with Page of Cups, I feel that you have got a lot of inspiring ideas that you want to spread it across, that you want to share it with the people around you and with the world. And with Knight of Swords, I feel that maybe you are on a journey or maybe you are on a quest to find something new and unique. Maybe you are on a journey to discover something or to create something new or different. So this is something that no one has done it before or something that not many people would pursue. It could be something new or different for your family only or within your circle only. Something that not many people would follow. Maybe you have already created something new and you are trying to put it out in the world through social media or any other kind of communication platform. And we also have the Pisces card here. Pisces is the sign of creativity and spirituality as well. And with cups and the card of Pisces here, I feel that you might be on a spiritual journey and seeking the truth of life beyond death. So maybe you people are creative or spiritual and you want to share it with the world of what you have created. Some of you might be an artist and you want to share your talent with the world. And with this Gibbous Moon, I feel that there are challenges, but you are very close to achieving your goals. You are almost at the finishing line and there are opposing forces around you. They are that are trying to push you back. So let's add more cards here that will give us more idea about your challenges and conflicts. So we have protection, call back your power, cut the cords, soul retrieval. Anna, grandmother of Jesus, seeding the light, laying foundations, divine plan. So with these people in the card makes me feel that there are many people around you who might be draining your energies. Maybe you are so much affected by what others are doing or what others are thinking about you. Maybe you think you are not worthy enough, and maybe the people around you also think the same about you. But people are just your mirrors. So their thoughts about you are just the reflection of your own thoughts about you. So if you think that you are not worthy, then the people around you will catch those vibes and reflect those thoughts back upon you. And maybe some of you need to protect yourself from others' energies. Maybe you are an empath and you are too sensitive with the energies around you, that you need to protect your own aura, and you get disturbed because those energies get attached to you, and sometimes you don't even realize that those are not your energies. So you need to raise your vibes, you need to feed yourself with positive thoughts daily. And with this card, I feel that maybe you get so much distractions by other things in your life. It could be the people around you, or it could be the financial worries, or it could be those little distractions that we have in our everyday lives. It could be your responsibilities as well. And these distractions deviate you from the divine plan. Maybe people around you have a lot of expectations from you, or you have a lot of expectations from yourself. And because we have a grandmother of Jesus here, so I feel that maybe you are a mother or someone who has responsibilities towards their families, who kind of nurture their family, and in order to fulfill those responsibilities, you are compromising on your own wishes and plans. But you need to have a solid plan for yourself, and you need to be focused on those. And you really need to protect yourself from the outer world around you. No matter what others are thinking, no matter what their opinions might be about you, you need to be determined and focused towards your passion, towards your goals. So even if you have certain responsibilities, you need to focus on your plans as well, and you need to lay a solid foundation for yourself so that the oppositions won't push you back further. And now we'll see whether you are actually progressing or not. So we have no need to worry. Forgiveness. And opportunity. So with no need to worry, I feel you are progressing towards your goals. So even if you have some obstacles in your path, you are moving ahead towards your goals. And with opportunity, I feel life is going to give you a lot of opportunities to prove yourself, or to be on the path that you are looking for, or to achieve any of your goals. So because this is a divine plan for you, so the progress has to be there for you. In this path, God is helping you out. So this goal is meant to be achieved. And with forgiveness, I feel that you need to forgive someone in your life, or you need to forgive yourself. Maybe there have been people who didn't trusted you in this journey, or who had doubts upon you, and those things are hurting you from inside. So it's time to release that, because any kind of grudges in your heart can deplete your powers. And also, you need to forgive yourself as well. Sometimes we forget to work on our shadows and we completely ignore that side of ours because we hate the feeling of guilt. But you don't have to be guilty. If you have the courage to forgive others, then God forgives you also. It's just you who needs to be convinced to forgive yourself, and this practice liberates you. This practice of forgiving yourself and others makes one feel free, and life then becomes really smooth and easygoing. Neither you have to change others nor you have to change yourself. You just have to change your perception. You just have to change the way you look at those challenges. Because you are very close to achieving your goals, so release all those things that are not working in your favor. So wish you all the luck and happiness. That's all I have for you now, sending you lots of blessings and positive energies. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such pick a card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. Also, let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. Please give your feedback in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Take care. Hello, group number 2. So we have the Empress, King of Pentacles as your tarot cards, and New Moon in Libra, a new romantic cycle begins, and New Moon in Virgo, a time to give rather than take, as your astrology oracle cards. So these cards will tell us what is your goal, what is your current path, what is it that you are working on to achieve in your life. So we'll start with the Empress. So the Empress is ruled by Venus, and Venus rules Taurus and Libra. So Taurus is more associated with your finances and your home, and Libra is more associated with your relationships, your love life, and your partnerships. And King of Pentacles is ruled by the earth signs. So earth signs are more associated with the materialistic aspect of our lives, and Venus is also associated with the relationships and our love life. I think you are progressing either towards your materialistic goals, or it's about the relationships or your love life. And it could be about both also, because we also have Libra here. So Libra is all about creating balance in your life, and Libra also indicates business or business partnerships. So this could be about your business or your business partnership also. And because both Empress and King of Pentacles indicates abundance, so you are trying to progress towards abundance in your life. And we have the Empress here, which is all about having a happy home life. And maybe you are trying to balance your home and your work. Maybe you are working from home or you are working for your home. And it's a time to give rather than take. So I feel that you think a lot about your loved ones. You want to nurture your family. You want to do a lot for them. You are trying to build a happy married life. And at the same time, you are trying to achieve your financial goals as well. So for some of you, I also feel that there's something in your love life or in your relationships that is causing conflicts in your financial goals. And it could be the opposite as well for some of you, where your financial goals are causing conflicts in your love life or in your relationships. For some of you, I feel that this is about a love relationship, and you are trying hard to push that relationship to convert this into a long-term commitment. This person could be a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or the person could be a Libra. or maybe you could be having any one of these signs as your sun sign or moon sign or rising sign. So let's add more cards here, and these cards will tell us more about the conflicts that are coming up in your life. So we have Unbound, releasing soul patterns, contracts, and past lives. We have No, wait, postpone, pause, say no. And the ever unfolding rose, cracked open, it's happening for you, not to you. So with No, I feel there is a lot of delays in your progress. Things are getting postponed. You have been waiting for the results. You have been putting in a lot of efforts, but the challenges are coming up again and again for you. I feel you are going through a lot of uh, disappointments in your life, and then you stop. You say no, that I'm not going to try again, and you're not able to uh, disconnect yourself from that pattern. So you are in a loop. And with this rose here, I feel that you have a lot of potential in you, but you are unaware about it. And when you will discover that, you will be able to make a different life for yourself. And for some of you, I also feel that these challenges are coming up from your past lives, but these are happening for you and not to you. You will come out as a winner, but you have to keep fighting for what you believe in. You should not give up. It's only when you give up you lose your battle. So let's see the final outcome of whether you are progressing towards your goals or not. So we have Success, ask for help from others, Yes, and there's something better. So I think you are progressing towards your goals, but you need to take help from others. So for some of you, I also feel that your success depends on the other people. It depends on their choices, their decisions, their opinions, their ideas. They might be your loved ones, or they might be the people whom you know by chance. And with there's something better, I feel that okay, so before I say that, I want to remind you that because these are general readings and there will be multiple messages here, so your intuition will guide you about these messages, like which messages for you you'll know. So this message is for some of you. So whatever is it that you are currently working on or trying to progress, be it the relationship or the financial goals, so maybe that is not meant for you, but maybe you are on the right track. It might be your karmic debts that you need to pay in this birth, and you will find what is actually meant for you through this path. So success is there and you will get the best in life. And for some of you, this could also mean that you need to change your methods or you need to change the way you are handling things. But whatever it is that is actually meant for you will come to you through this current path that you are following. So keep going, keep moving forward, and you will achieve what is actually meant for you. So wish you all the luck and happiness. That's all I have for you now, sending you lots of blessings and positive energies. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such pick a card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. Also, let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. Please give your feedback in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Take care. Hello, group number 3. So we have Four of Swords, Eight of Pentacles as your tarot cards, and Full Moon in Scorpio. It's time to release negativity, and Waning Moon, what do you need to release as your astrology oracle cards. So I feel there are so many messages here. So for some of you, I feel that you are working towards something that will give you peace in your life. Maybe some of you want a break from your work. You people are exhausted with your work or from anything that you do, and you're looking for some free time for yourself, and you might be looking for some change for yourself. For some of you, it's exactly the opposite. So because these are general readings, so there will be multiple messages here, and your intuition will guide you through these messages. So some of you are in a pause mode. Things have come to a standstill, and so you are taking a break from your work. But this break is against your wishes, and you are looking for work now. So maybe this is about your career or your job. So there have been issues. There have been a lot of negativity around you, and now you are in a resting mode. So you are regaining your energies or clarity. Maybe you are rejuvenating yourself from the emotional turmoil that you have gone through. So this is Four of Swords, and in this image you can see this person looks exhausted and in a resting mode. But just before this card, there is Three of Swords in the regular Rider-Waite tarot deck, and that card indicates disappointments, sufferings, and pain. So maybe some of you have gone through a lot of pain and disappointments, and now you are exhausted. Now you are in this Four of Swords state. So this phase of stillness has come into your life so that you can refresh yourself. So when you finally start working for yourself, you would feel rejuvenated, and your past won't influence your present and your future. I also feel for some of you that you are so exhausted with what you are doing right now, and that you want to change your career or your job. I also feel that some of you are recovering from some kind of health issues, and some of you are trying to work on your mental health as well. So don't take this in the negative sense. Here I mean that you are trying to get peace in your life. You are just trying to relax your senses. So as you can see, there is this question here, what do you need to release? And there is this answer here, it's time to release negativity. So this negativity is really pushing you back. It's not helping in your manifestations. Maybe you need to release control on the outcome also. And Scorpio is all about transformations. And Scorpio is a very intense energy. So with Scorpio being here, I feel that you are going through a major change in your life, or you need to change something in your life, or you need to let go of something in your life. So I feel for some of you, something is leaving you. So you need to let it go so that you can gain something better in your life. So it could be a job, it could be a career change, it could be about the change in perspective, or it could also be about the people around you who might be toxic and who might be leaving you, or you should leave them, or at least try not to get affected by them. Maybe some of you are in the process of releasing all your doubts, fears and anxieties, and maybe you are working hard to come out of this stillness in your life. But you can use this time to work on self development so that you can be the new version of yourself. So let's add more cards here that will tell us more about the conflicts, more about the challenges. So we have the Great Gathering. It's all coming together. Intuitive hits, Soul Tribe. Align your life. What is not aligned or needs to change? So we have Scorpio there and we have change here. So definitely something needs to change or something is changing in your life. And then we have play, have fun, celebrate, don't be so serious. And lastly we have take a break, a life's work, not a season, get off the treadmill. So with these people around here, I feel that there might be people around you who might not be so supportive. Maybe one of them could be a Scorpio, or there might be any earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You could be having any one of these zodiac signs as your sun, moon, or rising. I also feel that some of you have impressions of the past on your mind and you need to let go of the past. You need to release all those previous disappointments in life. So when you dwell on your past, you ruin your present and your future. And I think with this card I feel that you are so serious about your life. Maybe you are a workaholic and you don't like to take breaks often, or maybe you are too ambitious and you might not be satisfied with your current job or career, or you might be scared to leave your current job or change your career and start something that you really want to do. And for some of you, I feel that you want to have fun in life, you want to take breaks, but you are scared to do that, or you just don't have the liberty to do that. I also feel that you need to take care of yourself. So let's see the final outcome of whether you are progressing towards your goals or not. So we have big happy changes. Take action. And communicate clearly. So whatever it is that you are working on, if you keep taking action, then your goals can be achieved. So for some of you, I feel that whatever you have been wanting, that is in your mind as of now, and you have not really started working on it. And if you are working on it, then maybe you need to change the way you are doing your things right now. You need to change your methods, because we have a lot of change and transformation cards in your readings. So you need to change your methods. You need to change something in your life. It could also be the perspective. It could also be the blockages in your mind that you need to work on. And for some of you, I feel that you need to have a proper plan for this goal. You need to communicate clearly about your plans. You need to have a clarity about your plans. You need to have a clear communication with the universe of what exactly you want. And big happy changes can be achieved. It's just that you need to take action first. And most importantly, take action in the right direction. And you need to be clear of what you want. So, wish you all the luck and happiness That's all I have for you now, sending you lots of blessings and positive energies. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such pick a card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. Also, let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. Please give your feedback in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Take care.